Tired of missing those crucial first interactions with your customers? Let's unlock the power of automated greetings on Aisensy, ensuring every new contact receives a warm welcome. First, log into your Aisensy account and navigate to the automation section, usually found on the left-hand sidebar. Once in the automation area, click on the Create New Automation button. This will open the settings page where you can craft your greeting message. Now, under Trigger, select New Contact Joins. This ensures the message is sent whenever a new phone number is added to your Aisensy contact list. Then, in the message content box, craft your welcome message. Keep it concise, friendly, and informative. For example, hi there. Welcome to your company name. How can we help you today? Next, set the delay before the message is sent. I recommend a short delay, like immediately or after 1 minute, for a timely response. This avoids overwhelming the new contact. Consider adding quick reply options for common questions. For example, you can add buttons like Track My Order or Contact Support to help improve the user experience. Finally, click the Save or Activate button to enable your automated greeting. Double-check your message preview to ensure it appears correctly. And that's it. You've successfully set up automated greeting messages on Aisensy. Now, every new contact will receive a personalized welcome, setting the stage for positive interactions and stronger customer relationships.